Hey planner people, I'm back today with another unboxing. This one, again, just like my last video, if you saw it, is a brand that I've never had before. As a matter of fact, I think that maybe this is the first planner this brand has produced. So I thought we would take a look. In my usual fashion, I couldn't choose. I'm just wishy-washy about making a choice. There are two colors to choose from. It's the same size planner. There's only one size to get, but I got both colors. So let's open, let's see. I kind of want to open, I don't know which one I'm going to get. So let's just start. The brand is AllieRyaz, and I saw the planner on Instagram, and so I started following her Instagram so I would know when the release was, and I was lucky enough to catch the release, and I grabbed two of them. So let's take a look-see. So there's this really nice card in here that shows the planners, so that's kind of a spoiler. It says AllieRyaz down here in gold foil, and thank you on the back. And then there's her Instagram. So this is a really cool Instagram. She is does amazing. I mean, the way she makes her inserts look is, and it's just pen, and it looks really awesome. So check that out. I'm going to get rid of the box here. And then we've got some tissue paper with a thank you seal. Just a regular gray dust bag with a gray ribbon. Ooh, this is the gray one. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, it's like a dove gray. Now this is man-made. You can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty shiny. And unless you get patent leather, you're really not going to get that kind of shine. But again, I'm kind of not really caring whether something's real leather or not, because the nice thing about it being man-made material is it saves you some dollars, and then you don't have any guilt if you are vegan. The thing that attracted me to this planner was the buckle, because I'm a sucker for anything with a buckle, whether it's a pair of shoes or, you know, a coat or a bag or a planner. The buckle is actually just a decorative feature. It does have a snap, so you don't have to struggle with a buckle, but opening it up, it's very, very nice on the inside. I want to get rid of these ring protectors. So this is a situation where the cardboard is all the way under the rings. So I don't want to really have to unscrew the rings to take out the cardboard. So later I'll work a little bit and try to pull it out from under the rings. But I'm very happy to see that these rings have screws. These look like 30mm rings. If they should go bad in the future, then I have the option to replace them. Let's see, what do we have here? We have 2 secretarial pockets on the left, and we have 7 card pockets. And then we have 2 secretarial pockets on the right. And again, we have 7 card pockets and a pen loop. Let's take a look at the outside a little bit more. I will try to get this close, just kind of a nice, like, croco print. And then there's a little bit of croc print on the buckle. That's larger scales. And then there's this fine pebbled pattern on the edge. And then you've got your buckle. So it's very pretty. And so this is a size that is supposed to accommodate several different size inserts. Rather than making a personal, a Franklin Covey and a personal wide, she made it so that, you know, it's going to accommodate the personal wide and you can put in the smaller sizes. I thought maybe it would be fun to check out and see. I think I probably would not use this for personal inserts, but let's see what they'd look like. I've got some lying here that are close by, so I'll just pop these in here. So actually, it wouldn't really be that bad. By the time you put in dividers with tabs, you go pretty close to the edge. So can you see that? I mean, there's definitely a lot of extra room, but it could be workable. I do not have Franklin Covey size inserts. I should have cut down a couple pieces of paper just so we could see what it looks like, but let's pop in our personal wide. If I can get this whole stack in here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, and she did say the personal wide is gonna go right up to the edge. That is okay with me because a lot of times in my Gillios, I will put 30mm rings and then the inserts go right up to the edge. You are gonna wanna keep that in mind when you pick out your tabs. If you don't go with top tabs, you're going to have tabs sticking out past the cover. Although you do have some clearance here with the strap. You shouldn't have a problem. Now I really want to know what Franklin Covey size would look like in here. That would be the compact, of course. I'm trying to remember what size Franklin Covey is. Anyway, it's between a Franklin Covey would be between the personal and the personal wide. That would probably be the sweet spot for this particular planner if you are really not into the inserts going right up to the edge, or if you're really not into having a lot of extra space on the edge. I think I would probably go with personal wide because I'm going to be setting up a personal wide planner, and I certainly don't want to start thinking about setting up Franklin Covey inserts now on top of all the other things I have going on. Let's take a look at the other one. So anyway, in case you can't tell on the camera, this is like a dove gray. And it does have this little metal plate on the back that says AllieRyaz. Oh, and it does have a little piece of plastic here. So it is nice and shiny and very nicely done. Just want to make sure there's none on the buckle, and it doesn't appear there is. Okay, let's look at the other one. I don't know if you can, I'm sure you can see that on the box. It's kind of black on black. So again, I got the same card. And here is the black one. This one's very pretty. Yes, that's lovely. So that's all I'm going to do right now with the ring protectors. I will monkey with that later. So again, it's the same, obviously, as the gray one. It has silver hardware, just like the gray one. Let's get this little buckle closed. You can see it's got a nice crackle print. And then the smaller pebbled leather, the back is Krakow. And then we have our little nameplate back here. That is very, very nicely done. That's beautiful. No back pocket, which is fine. When you've got two secretarial pockets, I think you're gonna be okay without a big back pocket. Let me see if I can figure out what size Franklin Covey is. Maybe I can cut down a couple of my personal wide inserts and we can compare. Okay, I'm just gonna do this quick because my battery just gave me a warning. So you can see where Franklin Covey would sit. I don't know, since I only have one paper in there, if you can see that. Let me see if I can. It'd be a lot easier to tell if I had a stack of them. Okay, that's where it would fall. So let's just stack up this personal wide. Well, it's not helpful because I used the same type of insert, so it's hard to tell the difference. There, I can just choose another insert for personal wide. All right, that might be more helpful. So you've got your personal wide here, your FC compact here, and your personal here. Let's see if I can show you from the top. It's going to be a little more difficult. Your personal wide is here, your Franklin Covey is here, and then your regular personal is here. If I'm going to use personal wide in this, I'm definitely going to have to go with top tabs, but it'll be a lot of nice writing space, that's for sure. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I think this is probably going to be the last unboxing I'm going to be doing until I can settle on a size, because I seem to be spending a lot of money on planners for someone who can't figure out what size they want to use. Yeah, I'm glad I bought these, and they were very, very reasonably priced. So I will link the website below and you can check them out and see if they'll work for you. Until next time, bye-bye.